game is called Hit or Miss by Angie, Kayla, and Kahelin.
First, the player buys into the game for $2. Using one suit, the player then gets 2 cards at random. After revealing and looking at the cards, the player is able to say, "Hit me," meaning that they want another card, or they are able to say, "I stand," meaning that they don't want another card. If the 2 cards equal less than 20, the player has 3 chances to say "hit" before the game ends, trying to get to 20 on the nose. If the player busts or gets over the 20, or if they get 17 and below, they lose their buy-in money of $2. If the player gets 18 or 19, they break even, and they get their buy-in money back, which is $2. If they get 20 on the nose, they get $4. Each number card equals the same number except for Ace is an 11, King, Queen, and Jack is 10.
First, we laid out every possibility for the first 2 cards that could be dealt. Then, after finding those, we had to separate the amounts we would earn into a probability tree for the 3rd round. We needed to find the expected value for earning $2, nothing at all, and giving them back their $2 plus an extra 2. Altogether, there are 156 probabilities, and each probability can happen 1 out of 156. So we multiplied 1 over 156 by the amount of cards that could go into each slot over 11 due to the fact that we are only using one suit, which is 13 cards in total. 2 cards were already taken out, and in this situation it is not independent. We did this so we could find the probability of our group profiting $2, $0, or losing $2. The probability of us earning $2 is 0.81, the probability of us earning nothing at all is 0.12, and the probability of us earning negative $2 is 0.07. After finding the probability of each earnings, we placed them into a table to find the overall expected value. We added 2 times 0.81 plus 0 times 0.12 plus negative 2 times 0.07, which came out to 1.48, which is also known as $1.48 as our expected value. After our casino day, we had 27 players and profited $32. We divided 32 by 27 and came out to $1.19. This was the experimental earnings per game.
Our expected value was $1.48, and our experimental earnings per play was $1.19. They are relatively close together, considering that they are only a few cents apart. If we had more people playing our game, the experimental earnings would gradually get closer to the expected value, or the law of large numbers. Yes, we made our game $2 to play because we didn't want people to be intimidated by the paying price. Also, we made the game to our advantage. The game seemed like the players had a chance of winning, or it made them want to play again. We wouldn't change anything about our project because we substantially gained more than we lost. There were only a couple people that walked away with more money than they put in. There wasn't really anything wrong about our game, so we would keep it as it is.
All night, all the girls look nice, everyone raised to the beat, yeah. Beautiful girl, the way you look right now, take you all around the world.